Hello everyone, did you ever plan your monthly budget in very systematic way? If your answer is no, don't worry, in the end of this video you will get a clear idea about suitable monthly budget plan for your better financial freedom. In the world, all rich people have common habit to know about how money is working and also they have good financial plan. But other side, even we don't have simple financial plan. So if you want to become rich person, you should build strong financial plan. In this video, we are going to see 50-30-20 budget rule. It is a basic budgeting and financing thumb rule for everyone. Before going to see, you need to do following two steps. First, we need to calculate your income after tax. For your calculation, I need to take your income after tax. Let's say your income is 50,000 rupees after tax. Now we will take this income for our calculation. Once you get the income after tax, you need to split your expenditure in following three categories. First one, needs. Second one, wants. Third one, savings. After doing this, we need to calculate the percentage of amount that you are spending on each category so that it is easy to compare with 50-30-20 rule. Now let's move on to 50-30-20 budget. It states that you should spend up to 50% of your after-tax income on needs and 30% of your after-tax income on wants and 20% of your after-tax income on savings and debt payoff. In this case, we assumed our income after tax is 50,000 rupee. So we can spend on needs up to 25,000 rupee. Now you may ask, which items comes in this category? Needs. Needs are those bills that you absolutely must pay and are the things necessary for survival. So here, consider only the items which you can't survive without this category. Example, house rent, all necessary bills, food, health insurance, utility. Always keep it in mind, it does not include the items that are extras such as Netflix, Prime Video, expensive clothes and dining out. If you are spending more than 50% that on your needs, you will have to either cut down on wants or try to downsize your lifestyle, perhaps smaller home or more modest car. And also for limit your spending on needs, you can take public transportation and cooking at home more often. Now the remaining half should be split up between 20% for savings and debt repayment and balance 30% to everything else that you might want. Wants. Always we will get confused between needs and wants. To identify this, you should think yourself. Wants are all things you spend money on that are not absolutely essential. This includes dinner, movies out, shopping. Example, buying expensive clothes, vacation, electronic gadget and so on. Basically, wants are all those little extras you spend money on that make life more enjoyable and entertaining. Savings. This is more important one for everyone's life. Finally, try to allocate 20% of your after-tax income to savings. Here, don't consider only savings. This includes adding money to an emergency fund in bank savings account, mutual fund investment, investing in stock market. You should have at least 3 months of emergency saving on hand in case you lose your job or unforeseen event occurs. After that, focus on retirement and meeting other financial goals down the road. Debt payoffs, such as above minimum required payment. Example, additional credit card bill, mortgage payment. Suppose, if you want to save or invest more, you can cut off your wants into 20% by watch sports on TV instead of getting ticket to game, cook instead of eating out, work out at home instead of going to gym, so that you can increase your savings into 30%. An average person at least need to follow 50-30-20 rule for good financial discipline. If you want, you can follow 50-20-30 rule instead of 50-30-20 rule for better financial growth. Personally, I prefer 50-20-30 rule for increase my amount of saving. Well, that's it for today. If you have any doubt, please let me know in comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a like and share with your friends. And also, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until then, bye bye.